Real yoga is for the clarity of mind. Do you know that there is a sequence in yoga which strengthens your body and boosts your metabolism to the highest? Those who have high blood pressure or heart issues, they should be doing this only after they are relieved of these problems. So how does this go? We go from left side of the mat to right side of the mat and right side of the mat back to left side of the mat. It begins with nice straight posture, hips on heels, shoulder on hips, head on shoulder. Open your palms, raise them up above head, and take one foot in front of the other for balance and stretch yourself up and relax. Both feet together, not touching but parallel, and push your hips out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your arms for Devi pose. This looks so elegant and divine. Make sure that the elbows are in straight line with your body. Exaggerated movement of leg. Lift your right leg up and out and land it away from the other leg and push your hips down and hold this posture. And feel that confidence of Devi Durga, that courage. And unbend your knees, straighten your hands. Right hand bend, touching the right foot and head in straight line as in spine. Don't bend over. Make sure that you take your body back as in straight line. Slowly lower the left arm, placing it on either side of the right foot and go into Chandra-namaskār, which is right foot and the left ball of the foot are taking the weight of your body. If you can, lift your hands and keep them on your thigh. That's great. If you can manage to raise your hand, even better, advance. Hold your breath there. Slowly bring your hands down on the mat and pivot yourself so that you can face front. Hold the posture here for strengthening your leg muscles. Place your hands on the mat and shift your body to the left leg. And same thing. Hold the posture here for some time so that you can strengthen. Flat surface would be better. It gives you more stability. Pivot yourself to the left side. And same thing, basic, intermediate and advanced. Slowly bring your hands down on the mat and lift your body up and pivot yourself again, facing to the front of the mat, raising the hand up and looking sideways. You may look up at your right hand up, gaze at the right hand, and slowly lift yourself up like a wheel and then go back to Devi Asana. Hold the posture, hands out, and bring your legs together, not joining, and Tadasana. Push your hips out. This is a nice exercise for your obliques. And again, right foot in front of the left foot for balancing yourself. And then relax. And you may go back to standing posture. So this was only half of the Chandra-namaskār. We are going to do another half, moving from this side of the mat to other side of the mat. So again, get ready. Namaskaram or Tadasana or tree. And one foot in front of the other for balance. And raise yourself on your toes. And relax. Legs together parallel. Push your hips out. Devi Asana. This adds so much confidence in your personality as you practice, because this stimulates your adrenal glands and regulates their function. Hands out, unbend your knees, bend to the right, make sure that your spine is straight. This is a nice good practice if you want to strengthen your back as well as leg muscles. Pivot yourself to go back to the horse pose, basic, intermediate, and advanced. If you're unable to do the advanced, it's okay. After a few days of practice, you can get to it. This pivoting is something that requires a lot of strength and training. Take your own time in order to get into this posture. After you hold the posture for a few seconds, shift yourself to the right side and hold the posture. Nice and good. Again, turn your body to the right leg. Basic, intermediate, and advanced. Slowly bring your hands down. Lift yourself up. Pivot your body to the front. Facing the front of the mat. Quickly lift yourself as if you have a stick from left hand to right hand. Bend your elbows. Bend your knees. And hold this posture. This really increases your heart rate, pumps up your heart rate and breath rate. Hold there for a few seconds, strengthens your thigh muscles, and relax. Legs together, hands up, hips out, stretching the obliques, and right leg in front of the left leg, and lift yourself up, strengthening your calf muscles and the entire legs. And done. So that is how you boost your metabolism. Though yoga is known for slow workout, we can definitely use the sequence that we have just done to boost our metabolism. Thank you for joining me today. Rendezvous with warmness, real yoga in awareness. Namaste. Om.